In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Instagram password reset not working. So if you're trying to reset your password on Instagram and you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it, and there are few things that you can do in order to fix it. At first, what you can do is simply try requesting again. There might be some temporary glitches, so in that case, what you have to do is simply go back. Now after a while, what you have to do is simply follow through all the process of resetting your password. Once you do it again, your problem should be solved and you should be able to reset your password. But still, if you're not being able to reset your password, what you can do is simply try resetting it via the different browser. For example, if you were using the application, what you can do is simply open any browser of your choice. Or if you were using the browser, what you can do is simply try using the application. Now, if you're using the browser, tap on the search bar and type in instagram.com, search for it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Instagram. Tap on the option login that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on this option forgot password. Now simply follow through the process in order to reset your password. But still, if you're not being able to reset your password, there might be some problem with the Instagram itself. So for that, what you have to do is simply wait for a while. After you wait for some hours, reset your password again. After that, your problem should be solved. Or if you're using the application, there might be some fault in the application itself too. So in that case, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Instagram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the option Instagram. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option update that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, wait for a while and Instagram application will be updated. Once it has been updated, you should be able to reset your password. But sometimes there might be some problem with your device itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Long press on the power button. Now tap on the option restart that you can see on the screen. After you do that, the device will be restarted. Now simply try resetting your password again and you should be able to reset your password. So these are basically the methods to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Instagram password reset not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.